C. We also use will be ing to talk about complete actions in the future. For example, the government will be making a statement about the crisis later today. Will you be going away this summer? Later in the program, I'll be talking to the Minister of Education. Our best player is injured and won't be playing in the game on Saturday. Later in the program, I'll be talking to. In these examples, will be ing is similar to be going to. B. We use will have done future perfect to say that something will already be complete before a time in the future. For example, Sally always leaves for work at 8:30 in the morning. She won't be at home at 9 o'clock. She'll have gone to work. We are late. The film will already have started by the time we get to the cinema. Compare will have done with other perfect forms. Ted and Amy have been married for 24 years, present perfect. Next year they will have been married for 25 years. When their son was born, they had been married for 3 years, past perfect. Exercises 24.1. Read about Andy, then tick the sentences which are true. In each group of sentences, at least one is true. Andy goes to work every day. He leaves at home at 8 o'clock and arrives at work at about 8:45. He starts work immediately and continues until 12:30. When he has lunch, which takes about half an hour, he starts work again at 1:15 and goes home at exactly 4:30. Every day he follows the same routine and tomorrow will be no exception. At 7:45. A. He'll be leaving the house. B. He'll have left the house. C. He'll be at home. D. He'll be having breakfast. 2. At 8:15. A. He'll be leaving the house. B. He'll have left the house. C. He'll have arrived at work. D. He'll be arriving at work. 3. At 9:15. A. He'll be working. B. He'll start work. C. He'll have started work. D. He'll be arriving at work. 4. At 12:45. A. He'll have lunch. B. He'll be having lunch. C. He'll have finished his lunch. D. He'll have started his lunch. 5. At 4 o'clock. A. He'll have finished work. B. He'll finish work. C. He'll be working. D. He won't have finished work. 6. At 4:45. A. He'll leave work. B. He'll be leaving work. C. He'll have left work. D. He'll have arrived home. 24.2 Put the verb into the correct form. Will be doing or will have done. 24.2 Put the verb into the correct form. Will be doing or will have done. 1. Don't phone between 7 and 8. We'll be having dinner, then we have. 2. Phone me after 8 o'clock. Dinner by then we finish. 3. Tomorrow afternoon we are going to play tennis from 3 o'clock until 4:30. So at 4 o'clock tennis we play. 4. Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, but not in the afternoon. I work. 5. We have to go to a meeting which begins at 10 o'clock. It will last about an hour. A. Will you be free at 11:30? B. Yes, by then the meeting ends. 6. Ben is on holiday and he's spending his money very quickly. If he continues like this, all his money before the end of his holiday he spends. 7. Do you think the same job in 10 years' time you still do? 8. Lisa is from New Zealand. She's traveling around Europe at the moment. So far she has traveled about 1,000 miles. By the end of the trip, more than 3,000 miles she travels. 9. If you need to contact me at the Line Hotel until Friday I stay. 10. A. Laura tomorrow, you see. B. Yes, probably. Why? A. I borrowed this DVD from her. Can you give it back to her? When I do, when I have done, when and if. Study this example. Will you phone me tomorrow? Yes, I'll phone you when I get home from work. I'll phone you when I get home is a sentence with 2 parts. The main part and the when part. I'll phone you when I get home. The main part, I'll phone you, and the when part, when I get home. The time in the sentence is future tomorrow, but the time in the sentence is future tomorrow, but we use the present tense. I get in the when part of the sentence. The time in the sentence is future tomorrow, but we use the present tense. I get in the when part of the sentence. We do not use will in the when part of the sentence. We do not use will in the when part of the sentence. Some more examples. We'll go out when it stops raining, not when it will stop. When you are in London again, come and see us, not when you will leave.